My secret to the 360 flip?
It's all on the back toe, that's it.
Well, it took me a long time to really get them to where I want them to be and how I want them to look.
You hear that hawk? Tony?
I put my back foot in the back right pocket, my front foot around the area. I would put it for a kickflip and just give my back ankle a quick little snap backwards towards the back area and flick my left ankle forward while at the same time kind of giving a little spring motion. So it's like, whoop, and then you catch it, and then you land it, and then you roll away, and it feels great.
It's all on the back toe, it's where you put your head. Think the body position of the circle jerks, dude. As you pop, you just have to like lean over. Just in front and off the side of the rail. And that'll give you all the leverage on that back toe to rip.
Yeah, I don't know, the secret is just foot on the tail with some of your toe hanging off just so you can get that scoop, and then the catch. A nice front foot catch, find it around that 270 mark, and then bring it down.
I learned how to tray flip by watching 411 number 1. There's a line at Pulaski Park where Pepe Martinez does a tray flip in the middle of a line, and it's filmed from behind, and I slow-moed it over and over and over again to figure out where his feet were. And I watched it and I watched it and I watched it and I watched it, and it's like burned into my brain.
For me, jumping's always been like the way I learned tricks. I could not 3-flip on flat ground until I was already 3-flipping off like 8 stairs. So like for whatever odd reason, 3-flipping off stuff has just always been more comfortable for me, and that's kind of just been the way it worked.
Photosynthesis. Younger and I had my feet way too close together just to try to get that board all the way around. Just keep doing them, and the more you do them, the better you'll get.
When you get older and the more you do it, I will say this, it's more of just an ankle movement almost. And that's the best way I could explain. If I were to give you any sort of tip, that's kind of what I just think of when I think of them, and it's what works for me.